JWEI Innovative Flatbed Digital Cutters LST-0604-RM, specially designed for cutting stickers and folding cartoons, is ideal finishing solutions for digital presses, especially for orders of short-run production. The LST-0604-RM cutters are built on the promise of delivering automatically continuous and efficient workflow to achieve through cut, kiss cut, and creasing at the single pass. The innovative automatic feeding mechanism works together with vacuum clamps on the gantry, loading each sheet onto the working area and positioning steadily for the next processing. The camera registration system guarantees precise cutting and/or creasing performance. The rotary mat delivers each sheet finished to the tray automatically. The powerful vacuum pump ensures different sizes of material held firmly on the working surface for superior cutting performance. Unquestionably, you are surely in want of a JWEI LST-0604-RM for your finishing process of digital printing. JWEI, be creative, be the best.